So over here, you can see that I have a video project right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to view the video project and to know who is the owner of the file and then where the file is actually located in my Google Drive. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the file menu and then go around over here onto details right here, just like this. Then over here, you can see the location of the file right here. You can see that I'm the owner of the file right here. Then apart from that, you can see that I can see the modification date over here as well, which is July 24 right here. And you can see that this video is actually created on July 4th. So let's say, for example, I make some changes right here onto this project. Then I made some modifications. So it's recently got changes. So now if I were to go around over here onto the file menu, then go around onto details right here, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So it is modified at 7:39 p.m. just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and view project details in Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.